So why was Pharaoh's heart hard? Because of his pride. He exalted himself. He would not humble himself, and he refused to let God's people go. So listen, yes, he hardens whom he wills, but the one with the hard heart is because he refuses to humble himself. Don't refuse to humble yourself. You are a creation. You are a sinner. Humble yourself under the righteous and holy creator of all, who sent his son to save you from your sins. Humble yourself under him and receive Christ and believe in him. Cast your life upon him as your only hope in life and in death. And he will have mercy on you. Humble yourself.